Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Now let's tap on Language, and as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and also Spanish. Let's tap on Add a Language in order to find more options, and here we've been transferred to the list of available languages which are suggested by Samsung. If you cannot find the language you would like to set, just tap on this three dots icon and tap on all languages, and as you can see, the list is much wider, and for sure you will find something. I will stick with suggested by Samsung, and all you have to do in order to choose the language is to just tap on it. I will pick French. As you can see, I can choose also the region, so let me tap on it. And your device will ask you if you want to set French, in my case obviously, as a default language. So you can keep current, you will stick with the current option, or you can set it as a default. So let me pick it, and as you can see, the language has been applied successfully. What's more, we are able also to change the language using those which are applied on this list. After tapping on it and holding, you can see that right now I can just drag them and move them. So the main language is always on the very first place. So if I want to set the English, just mark it and drag it. Hey, drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, since it is here, we can go back. And the language has been changed successfully. Here from this step, you can also remove the languages from this list just by tapping on Edit. As you can see, we've got the same step as before, and we can mark the ones we would like to remove and tap on this trash bin icon. Tap on Remove. And as you can see, they are removed just. So actually, this is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.